Every day, parents in Jos South worry about what might happen when their children step outside. What looks like a normal day can sometimes lead to a dangerous choices. Drug abuse is becoming a growing problem among young people today. What started as curiosity or peer pressure can quickly turn into addiction. Substances like marijuana, codeine, and tramadol are commonly abused. Many young people use drugs to escape stress, pressure, or personal struggles. But instead of solving problems, drugs makes things worse.
Okay, there are different reasons why young people would abuse drugs. One of them could be due to peer pressure, where a particular young person works or befriends friends that abuse drugs. That could be a source of temptation and a means of exposing the person to drug and then being susceptible to abusing drugs. So they say, be careful of your company, bird of a feather work together, right? So, and the company you keep can define you. So that is one. Secondly, maybe accessibility, where the young person, if he finds himself where drugs are accessible, such a young person will also be prone to abusing drugs. Another factor could be naivety. You see, at certain phase in life, we are more inexperienced. So you find out that the young person, because of that level of or lack of awareness, may just be seeing it as something normal, and from there he may begin to, if the peer pressure is there, the drug is accessible, he may begin to, with that naive mindset, he may see it, as normal, something is involved, my friends are doing it, why can't I do it, without really knowing that, this could lead to addiction and then dependence, and then leading to serious problems. Yes. Abusing drug comes with a lot of psychological and behavioral effects or implication. According to what we call in psychology DSM-5, Diagnostic and Statistical Manual of Mental Disorder, the 5th edition, it spells out some of these implications when you abuse drug. And abusing drug could actually lead to psychosis, where if you go to the manual, you see the symptoms like hallucination, loss of memory, having sleep problems, and even financial struggle. Why? Because as the person abuses drug, definitely cannot be able to save nor do anything good with his money. That is one. Another implication, it may lead to isolation, as I said, where you see the person will be withdrawn instead of interacting with his peers, going to school, and then interacting with family members, the person might be withdrawn. And then another effect will be suicidal feeling, because it leads to depression, and then depression could also lead to suicidal feeling, and even to a large extent committing suicide. Yes, these are some of the effects. There are many solutions. If the person is addicted, can be taken to rehab and then be treated. Then again, the person can be removed from the environment where these drugs are accessible. After treatment, the person can be removed from where these drugs is accessible, and then the guardian should also ensure that his peers are changed, or the friends that used to expose him to drug are changed. Do you understand? And when we say drug abuse, in Nigeria, we are looking at things like cocaine, we are looking at things like tramadol, we are looking at drug like cough syrup, codeine. These are some of, even alcohol, the widely abused one is the alcohol, where people just take alcohol without recourse to their health. And then it will now lead to some of the effects that we mentioned. It does bodily harm. Is it liver, is it heart problems, and the rest of them. Yes. So this could be some of the solutions.
Drug abuse affects the body and mind. It can lead to addiction, poor decision, and broken relationships. Awareness and support can make things different. Remember, say no to drug abuse and choose a better life.